G'day guys, I'm out here in the Hunter Valley in New South Wales with an innovative fencing contractor that's pushing out a lot of really interesting gear. Andrew from Elite Rural Services, how are you, mate?
Not too bad, Tim. Yourself?
Not too bad. Now, we're picking on one of the simplest of the innovations that you've made, and that is putting a laser on a fabricated angle bracket to go on your mount on your tripod. Can you talk me through why you've done that?
So we're pretty much turning a laser that's designed to do a horizontal plane into a vertical plane, and it then lets us run a line. It doesn't matter if there's any valleys or anything in that, in between one point to another point. So ideally this would be mounted on top of a hill and then in the center of wherever the fence line's going, and then if there's any hills, valleys in between, it'll make it dead straight between the two.
So no more three-stick method. All you do is stick your laser on the hill in the middle and your problems are solved.
That's exactly right. No dealing with string lines 10, 20 metres in the air in a valley.
The laser's going to follow no matter where that
correct.
terrain goes.
Exactly, yep. Okay, Tim, you're on the dumb end.
So perfectly straight fence lines, no matter the terrain, hilly country's not a problem. 1 kilometre in each direction, so you can mark out 2 k's at a time and you can get every post centimetre perfect.
That is correct, millimetre perfect to be honest. It's only limited by how thick your paint sprays.
And you just need someone on the dumb end of the tape.
That's exactly right. It's that
Guys,
easy.
don't forget, if you like this kind of content, hit the little subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Plenty more on timthompson.ag. And if you want to get in touch with Andrew, either for some good advice or to do any work around the Hunter Valley area, get onto Elite Rural Services, link in the description. Thanks, Andrew.
No problems, Tim.